Hi, my name is Kayleigh, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to assemble your amp rack. There's going to be 2 brackets included in your kit along with your hardware. Okay, so to start off with, I'm going to take these 2 tabs on my amp rack and I'm going to align this bracket with it, and I will be screwing in my bolts and nuts. I'm going to go ahead and flip my amp rack upside down. And I'm going to go ahead and bolt on my larger bracket. Go ahead and hand tighten these. Okay, so now that I have all of them hand tightened, I'm going to go ahead and tighten them with my Phillips screwdriver. Since the locking nuts you have teeth on them, they should tighten fairly well by themselves, and you just want to go ahead and start tightening them. For this next part, I'm going to go ahead and take the smaller bracket I have in my kit and put it on the other tab on my amp rack with the curved part facing away from the larger bracket. Go ahead and do the same thing. I'm gonna go ahead and hand tighten these and then screw them on with my Phillips as well.